In this video, I'm going to show you some edits that you're going to make to your WordPress site in order to accommodate the final project and certain activities, etc. that will be posted here. So the first thing I'd like you to do is I'd like you to go and go to your website, your WordPress site, and then add a /wp-admin, and that should bring you to your login screen. So you're going to put in your username and password here and log into your site. Okay, I've logged into the website and I'm now in the dashboard, which should be your default view. And in the left column, I'm going to look for pages and all pages. Click on that. The first thing we'd like to do is to find your home page, and I'm going to click on that so it opens up so I can make some edits. And you can see the last thing you should have on there is EDTC 710, Tools for the Development of Instruction. So I'm going to click at the end and hit Enter. Type Final Project space pipe space, and then say check points and activities. And I'll explain more about that as time goes on. Okay, if you don't remember how to get the pipe, it's the key above your enter key on the right side, and it's got two symbols. It's got a backslash on it, and above that it's got what looks like two little dashes separated with a space, but when you actually create the symbol by holding the shift key and hitting it, it comes out as a single line. Okay, and I'll just update that page just to be safe. And now I want to create a new page. So under Pages, I should now see Add New, and I want to click on that. And let's just call this page Checkpoints to keep it a reasonably short name. And in the box underneath, I'll just leave myself a note, something like okay, and I'm just going to leave an X there, but basically what will happen is as we post activities that need links, we'll just add those to this page. So I'm going to publish that page. Okay, and now let me come back. I'll go to all pages again, and let me come back to the coursework. And then what I'd like to do here is I'd like to create a link from checkpoints and activities over to that page where I'm going to post things. So that'll keep this page nice and neat instead of having a lot of activities on it. It's basically a link to a page that contains the activities. So to do that, highlight the text, checkpoints and activities. Please try to be sure not to get that space. It's kind of messy when you get that space and a little hard to edit later. So get just the text. Find the hyperlink button up here. And you'll see when you come in that the pages in your site are listed here. So if I simply click checkpoints and add the link, then I just have to update the page, and everything should be good to go. There's only one thing I'd like you to check before you're done, and I'll just go right up here to the name of the website, and I want to preview it. I could have also previewed my changes over there, but I want to preview this site, and I want to make sure that this checkpoint doesn't appear as another page in the main menu bar. Notice mine has my coursework, about me, my philosophy, and my links, which is what we should have. If you've got an additional link up here, it means you didn't really take control of it in a previous course. So I'll show you how to do that now. If you come to this page and everything's good here, you're done. But if not, I'll show you how to make that edit. You're going to go back to your dashboard, and you're going to go to Appearance, Menus, And what you should see on the left side of the page are the pages of your website. They're listed. And on the right side, these are the 4 things that are included in the menu. Now, if you didn't set up this originally, it's going to look different. The page is going to have a lot less on it. And what you want to do in that case is say that you want to create a menu. And when you do create the menu, you're going to have to give it a name, like I called mine main, and you're going to have to give it a name, and then this should appear, but there won't be anything over on the right side. So you want to check this box that says it's the primary menu. And the other thing that you would do is you would click whichever boxes over here, whichever pages you want it included. So if I wanted my favorite links, my coursework. So you notice that I've got a couple of pages here that are not linked, and I would say, or not checked, and then I would say add to menu. Now since I've already done that, they appear over here, and then in order to put them in the correct order, if they don't come up, because they're going to come up in alphabetical order, is just click on it and drag them. And that's all there really is to it. What you want to do when you're done is save it, and then you can go back and visit your pages or your site or log out if you're done. As always, if you have any questions or run into any problems, just please send me an email and we'll get it worked out.